Hi, I'm Vivian. Today I would like to present my assignment report on career development, focusing on the application of two key theories, the trait and factor theory and the theory of work adjustment. Career development is a lifelong process of understanding oneself and aligning personal strength, interests, and value with meaningful career path. In psychology, it helps explain how people make and adjust their career choices over time. For this study, I interviewed a 28-year-old account management team lead in a food technology company. His journey provides an excellent case for analyzing how two major theories, the trait and factor theories and the theory of work adjustment, explains career choice, satisfaction, and adjustment. The trait and factor theory developed by Frank Parsons is one of the earliest and most influential career model. It focuses on matching an individual's trait like skills, values, and personality with the requirement of specific occupations. So Parsons believed that satisfaction and stability happens when a person's trait fits the job environment. This theory is the foundation of most modern career assessment we use today. In this interview, the team lead demonstrated a strong self-awareness and alignment with his job demand. His problem-solving ability, independence, and determination aligned with the leadership performance and the performance-driven culture for the food tech industry. He also values growth and recognition, which matches his result-oriented environment. His satisfaction comes from balancing the relationship between relationship building and pragmatism, which shows a very clear congruence between his traits and his career path. While this theory explains how he entered and succeeded early in his career, it doesn't really fully explain on how he continuously adapt in a fast-changing industry. So the trait and factor model is somewhat static. It does not address the evolving motivation and the organizational shift. And this is where the theory of work adjustments became more relevant. The theory of work adjustment developed by Darwis and Lofik looks at the relationship between the individual and the work environment. It argues dissatisfaction and performance depends on how well a person's need and the job reinforcements align. So when there is a mismatch, people adjust. So either they do it by changing themselves or they do it by changing their situation. And this is to help restore the balance of both. And the interviewee's responses clearly reflect this model. He feels highly supported, he enjoys the challenges and adapts easily to change. His alignment with the company's goals shows strong correspondence. However, his ambition to take on a higher role indicates the correspondence is dynamic. It evolves as his personal and professional needs change, which theory of work adjustment captures it well. Externally, he was influenced by the booming food delivery industry during COVID-19. And he found out that the company's supportive culture and clear communication actually helped strengthen his engagement. His growing curiosity in AI nowadays shows how external factors like technology continuously shape his motivation and his career direction. So critically comparing both theories, the trait and factor theories explain his earlier career decisions, while the theory of work adjustment provides a better explanation of his long-term satisfactions and adaptability. And together they form a more complete understanding on how a person not only choose but also sustain career over time. In conclusion, career development should be seen as a lifelong adaptive process. The trait and factor theories help individuals make informed, self-aware decisions, while the theory of work adjustment ensures they stay adaptable and satisfied as they grow. For counselors, combining both perspectives can actually help their client in achieving long-term fulfillment in ever-changing work environments. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you so much.